how to buy TONCAPY token. So this token came under the symbol of TCAPY. So before we start, this is not professional advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there's referral codes down in the description to get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, find your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So as you can see, this token will be listed. So it will be listed today. As you can see, it will be listed on these exchange platforms, LBank, MEXC, BingX, Bitmart, and so much big exchange platforms. So if you scroll down, you will see this post from MEXC. As you can see, so Web3 projects in a powerful ecosystem. As you can see, it's coming to MEXC. So vote with to share massive airdrops. So it will be trading available in the 15th. So today in 13 UTC. So go and open your MEXC account. If you don't have an account, you can go to description and you will find the referral link. Click on it and create an account on it if you want, of course. And after that, fund your account with USDT to be able to buy this token. So after you create an account and fund it with USDT, go and search for TCAPY token and buy it from there. So this is how to buy TCAPY token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.